only do you guys produce some of the most incredible clothes each season, but you're also supporting communities in Africa by doing so, which is such a great story in itself. Can you tell the Bloomingdale's customer a little bit about that?
Well, I mean, we started really with Edun because we wanted to work in Africa. So we were talking about what we could do, and we decided that, one way we could really do some volume and do some meaningful sort of trade there would be to produce a line that's 100% grown and sewn in Africa. And we have a project called the Conservation Cotton Initiative, which supports 10,000 farmers in Uganda. So we grow and sew the cotton there, and we can actually we then spin it and make it into clothes and do a capsule collection with diesel. So that's going to go out into all their stores in spring, and it's
incredible.
That's real volume. The energy is quite electric. It's an amazing continent, and you're alive when you're there.
Edun's sustainable emphasis, however, is not simply confined to enhancing the social and economic strengths of sub-Saharan Africa. In 2009, Edun collaborated with the Invisible Children's Society to form the Conservation Cotton Initiative Uganda. Holistically speaking, this initiative plays into every aspect of sustainability. It helps to fund quality organic cotton production through environmentally sustainable methods, as well as providing locals a stable revenue for their families and local populations, all while preserving their indigenous ecosystem.
As we can see from recent data, consumers are eager and willing to become more educated about sustainability and in turn become more sustainable consumers. However, many luxury brands are yet to acknowledge the issues facing the apparel industry regarding the sustainability and sourcing of the apparel that they themselves make. Passionate about the issues facing the apparel industry and drawn to the cultural aesthetic of the African continent, founder Allie Hewson sought to bridge this gap by founding her brand Edun in 2005. While 55% of the consumer population describes themselves to actively seek products that are sustainable, and only 57% agree that they are well informed on sustainable issues, 75% of consumers would be more likely to purchase a product if a company is making more of an effort to be sustainable. 72% of consumers are interested in learning what apparel companies are doing to become more sustainable, and 82% of consumers are more likely to purchase a product that represents corporate social responsibility than one that does not. Her approach was simple. The vision of Edun is one of luxury, where the promotion of trade with Africa goes hand in hand with the beautiful clothing, accessories, and jewelry. This vision can be seen in all aspects of the house, from supply to advertising, including design and manufacturing.
Since its founding, Edun has been committed to supporting the artistic, agricultural, social, and industrial spheres in Africa as it grows and develops as a continent. The brand collaborates with local craftsmen and manufacturers to produce a one-of-a-kind collection, thus helping to advance entrepreneurship, business, creativity, and the overall economy. In doing so, they enhance both the socially and economically sustainable aspects of their business.
Now a decade deep into creating ethically sound luxury apparel, Edun's creative focus and aesthetic inspiration deriving from the beauty of Africa is still deeply embedded into their designs. From its conception, Edun has emphasized modern core classics with graphic elements referential to tribal Africa. Their most recent spring 2016 line stayed true to this. Praised by critics, the collection was inspired by the ceremonial dance costumes of the Kuba Kingdom in Central Africa.